Hi, I'm Sasha Sigan from PCMag.com, and I'm here in my bedroom with the iPhone SE. The iPhone SE is here. Okay, let's take a look at the iPhone SE. Opening the box. And now unboxing Apple products is usually not that complicated because they don't have terribly complicated boxes. You just have this little insert with some information, and then you have the iPhone SE in this beautiful product red color. Check this out. Now the iPhone SE looks a lot like the iPhone 8. It is so close to the size of the iPhone 8 that it can fit into iPhone 8 cases. Now Apple sent me a case for the SE. They are doing their own SE cases. This is a red leather SE case that they sent me. Here, I'll take this one out too. Okay, so we have a nice red leather case here. But you can use most iPhone 8 cases with the SE. Now it has a single 12 megapixel camera on the back, 7 megapixel camera on the front, 4.7-inch screen, the standard good old Retina 326 ppi 1334 by 750 screen. You have a real fingerprint sensor, no Face ID here. Lightning port, no headphone jack. This is a lot like an iPhone 8, but it's been boosted with better camera capabilities and a more powerful A13 processor. And I haven't even set it up yet. So let's see what else is in the box. Very simple layout. We have a 5-watt iPhone charger. Now the iPhone SE will work with fast chargers. It will work with wireless chargers. So that will all be great, but you're going to have to use another charger that you buy, or a charger that you get somewhere else. Only comes with a 5-watt charger. And then here in the box, we have a pair of EarPods, Apple's wired Lightning headphones. Now, of course, you can also use AirPods, but those would cost extra. And there's a Lightning cable, as usual. No USB-C, of course. This phone uses Lightning. So now I've set it up, and I'm happy to say that we've got the classic iPhone experience. This thing zooms along with an A13 processor, and it's just as bright and capable as any recent iPhone. Now, people with older iPhones should remember, no headphone jack. Let's compare this quickly to the iPhone 11. iPhone SE, iPhone 11, $399, $699. Now, as you can tell, the iPhone 11 is considerably larger, and that is, by and large, what you're paying for because these two have the same processor on board. You have a bigger screen on the iPhone 11, you have dual cameras on the back instead of a single camera with the SE, and the iPhone 11 has a killer night mode. While the iPhone SE has camera capabilities that the older iPhones don't have, like portrait mode, the iPhone 11 has night mode, which really improves low-light photography. Is that worth $300? Well, I'm going to be spending some time with the iPhone SE now. I'm really excited. I love phones this size. I love affordable phones, and I'll tell you in a few days.